It's Pekka from Logbullet and welcome to Suonenjoki. So I have been at the moment in my workshop welding and I did notice that hey, I'm missing some components and luckily I had those over here in Suonenjoki, which is my supplier. So I did yesterday take my truck, my old Mercedes, and drive over here, and then I was in the hotel night and drive in the beautiful foggy morning over here and pick up components. So over here you can see the workshop. I'm owning share from that company, so that will be the new home from the Logbullets. And it's actually easier for me because if I would be just customer, there would be a risk that something it's not as secure as having like share from the company. Then you know that Logbullets will have perfect home. I can affect to efficiency over there. I can affect to everything, so we can have good manufacturing. And then actually nice thing, like over here I have bogies. These are 100% made over here. Of course the actually planks did come from other locations, but then like this turning of this, then welding, and then milling of those surfaces has been done over here. So it's like under one roof, everything, so that is efficient. And I have also other components over here. Next I will drive to my workshop and do welding, and then later during this fall I will have like more welding over here, like frames and that kind of stuff. But first, hey, let's go inside over there and walk around so you can see actually like what kind of workshop that is. So we have over here Logbullet components. So I'm at the moment in the machining end, and we have over here nice machines like over here. So it's like machines are running happily, and this is nice milling machine. So it's like it can actually take 2000 kilograms to the table and do stuff. So it's I'm happy when I'm over here. I have to little yell because it's huge noise over here. I'm actually walking over here because I have to take some marketing photos. And then we have also in the welding end, there is people, nice amount of the people welding and doing stuff. So it's good feeling, like around there is noise, people are welding and grinding and doing stuff. My idea is that after a few months I will come over here again, and then we will do more Logbullet welding, so frames and that kind of stuff. So that is like, but it's nice feeling when you are walking over here and it's like all these people are working and making. And I actually the big thing over here is the welding quality. So nice seams. So that is, and we can actually go outside. I try to avoid not to show too much people because it's not polite that people are working over here. And actually I had also like when I was last time over here, there wasn't like people were in summer holiday, so we just have like gathering of all the people over here, and like then I did introduce myself that hey, I'm this kind of guy, and so it's polite in several ways, and also like people know what I'm doing because of course to keep, it's important that we have also other customers. So over here so these are welded and painted over here, and also like several subcomponents, so it's under one roof everything. And soon there will be also Logbullet manufacturing over here in the same way. So I'm happy to have this kind of workshop that I can like good welding quality and like a lot of stuff under same roof, so I can have good quality over here. Yeah, I'm happy at the moment. It's nice to walk over here. Now it's all silent. We have coffee break. So we Finns, we drink most coffee per capita in the world. So that is something we love to do, and so it's more silent over here. It's great to be over here because it's like it's always when you have this kind of pile, so no scrap, you just have those wire looms, those. So you know that like things are going smooth, people are welding, people are grinding, people are doing stuff, and I'm happy. Of course, at the moment it's like rush season over here because we make those snow blades, but in the future there will be also Logbullets over here, and like I'm so confident that this is a good spot for the Logbullets. So, and of course, hey, if you guys need hydraulic manifolds or something like that from Finland, we are happy to deliver those, but otherwise, see you, bye.